I combined eggs, banana and apple, and the result is incredible. To start this recipe, we will need 3 eggs, 2 bananas, and 2 apples cut. I'll transfer everything into a blender. Let's add half a cup of milk, a cup of sugar, and also 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll cover the blender and beat to mix all the ingredients. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure everyone will love it. Let's transfer this mixture into a bowl. I'll add 2 cups of wheat flour and stir it well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Eric Jower from New Zealand. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Let's add a tablespoon of baking powder. And again mix everything very well. I'm sure this recipe will go into your routine just as it went into mine. It's really easy to make, and it's a delight once it's done. Now I will pass all our dough to a pan greased with butter and flour. Tell me how you like to use apple and eggs in your home, I'd love to know. After I started using bananas so I could never eat otherwise. Tell me if you've made a dessert like this before. Using a spatula, I will leave everything uniform. Even your friends will ask you to teach this recipe so good that it stays. With just a few everyday ingredients we can make an amazing dessert. It's hard to eat just one piece. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like this before. I'll bake it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. A great option to eat in your afternoon coffee accompanied by some tea or even some coffee. I do it myself almost every day. When I do, there's never anything left. It is a great alternative for those looking for a light option since it uses only a few natural ingredients such as banana and apple. This cake is much tastier than those sold in conventional bakeries. I'm sure you won't regret trying it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.